right, let's try to get down to Poor Lake from 108. The road's still closed. There's some people snowmobiling out here. Beautiful day. Ready?
Yep.
Guess they have no idea where we're going. Sure there's a lot of park rangers here. Right. Doesn't look too bad. Not too much snow. There is a little bit on the ground though, so it's gonna make for an interesting day. Hopefully we don't have to put on the snowshoes, so we can walk a little bit faster. See how we're gonna get across this little stream. That's gonna be the tough part. Doesn't look like we're gonna be able to get across this little river right here, stream, whatever you want to call it. Been trying to stack rocks for the last 30 minutes and it's not working, so we're gonna just tippy toe across this thing. Hoping not to get wet. Try our best. Alright, no choice. Shoes are coming off. Gonna have to just walk through this icy water with this shit. Oh my goodness, it's cold. Except that, I'm fine. It is freezing cold, okay? It is fucking freezing cold. Oh my goodness. We're about to set up camp here. Gonna go double hammock. David's gonna have one, I'm gonna have one. And right now I'm trying to process some wood for tonight. It's not too bad, but you know, it may be cold. So we'll see about it in a second here. Was this hike easy, David, or was it hella hard? Pain in the ass. That's because you're not in shape, fool.
There's too many damn hills.
Too many hills? Only had one hill. Mostly it was flat. Well, this is camp tonight. Just give you guys a look at camp. Right now, we're doing, like I said, 2 hammock.
Oh, you can see the stars. Right.
Ears up. Ah, this one's for you, James. Since you can't be here, I'm gonna drink one for you.
Wow, it's bubbling up.
Alright, fires are drowned out. Time to go. Getting kind of windy. So you can see that. Fires are drowned out. Look like we're about to get some severe weather coming in. You guys can see up there. It's getting really windy, so we gotta get the hell out of Dodge, man. Alright, let's go. Adventure's finished. Back to the car. Long drive back to the bay. Nice easy hike.